Good morning, my students. I'm here to let you know what we were going to do today. Today is teachers conference, so I cannot be with you, but here is my class for you. This is an asynchronous class for my St. Mary students, first, second, and third grade. I am teacher Mari, and this is my classroom, and welcome to my class. If you are not my student and you're watching this video, now you're my student. So let's start. Today we are going to work with a landscape. We are going to work with a jungle, the sky, the jungle, and a river. It is going to be very simple. And we are going to work with impressionist techniques. I'll show you how we're going to do this. It is going to be very easy. So let me change my camera so that you can see. That's my paper. Let me adjust a little bit this camera. Sorry. There you go. Oh my God, that's me. That's the paper. I want you to see the whole paper. So I tried to do this before. There you go. Before I started the class, but it seems like, here. There you go. All right, I'm going to try doing it this way. All right, here is the paper. And I have here the top. The first thing I am going to do is to locate the top of the paper, and I am going to put my hand like this. You are going to put your hand like this. And with your paper, remember I work with a marker. I am going to put a line in here. Just a mark, a little reminder. This is the length I need to do the first line. My first line is going to be a curved line like this, very irregular. And this is going to be the top of all the trees in the jungle. Now, I am going to do the same with the next space I need. I'm going to put my hand, I am going to put a little reminder here, and then I am going to do straight line. Like this. If you don't want to take a risk and do the straight line like this, you can always fold your paper like this and let the folding be the guidance for your straight line. But as you can see, it doesn't have to be exactly straight. So there is room for little mistakes. So now we're going to have fun. The first thing I am going to do is to put some white on my palette. I always use these sticks. These sticks are reused. When I take out rice rolls, Japanese rice rolls. I save this and I use them to take out my paint from the jars. I have the white. And also I am going to pour some blue. And notice that I am placing them in separate spaces. I don't want them to be together just yet. Because this is going to be fun, we are going to put white on my paintbrush. And I'm going to put blue. I am not going to mix them in the palette. I am going to mix them on the paper. All right, in here. And I am going to do this. I mix them on the paper. This is the whole secret to do interesting skies. You just mix the colors on the paper like this. And you paint with big brush strokes. This is Impressionism. Big brush strokes like this. And when you run out of paint, you do the same. You take some white, some blue, and you mix them on the paper like this. This is so much fun. And you don't have to worry about spaces for the clouds, anything. You just get your paint and you mix it on the paper. If you don't have dark blue, you can use light blue if you have in a bottle, or you can also do this as a sunset using yellow and red, and let's see what happens. So now I have my sky. If you want to, you can put pure white in some spaces like this, and you blend the colors together like this. So much fun. Now we wash our paintbrush completely. You have here it. You wash it, and then you clean it up with your towel like this. Again, you wash it, clean it. Now, this part over here is going to be the jungle, and we're going to do exactly the same, only this time we're going to use green and blue. Do you remember the combination of green and blue? What color? I mean, I'm sorry. I messed up the surprise. Yellow and blue. Yellow and blue. What color are you going to get if you mix yellow and blue? I have here my yellow and my blue, and I am going to do the same. I'm going to put some yellow and some blue on my paintbrush, and I am going to do this movement, all right? This movement. And as I say, as if a chicken were eating corn. Now, I think this is very dark because I put too much blue. So I am going to put a little bit of yellow to make a difference here. And you see the amount of different greens that I am getting? This is what I'm looking for. And this is pure Impressionism, just like Claude Monet, like this. And we keep working. This is so much fun. You should try this. Now, I want you to watch the whole video before you do this. You're going to watch the video, and then you're going to start working. And the second time you watch the video. And you can stop it, do your painting, and then keep watching it. You see? And then a little bit more blue, a little bit more yellow, and so forth. But you don't mix the paint on the palette. You mix it on the paper. Now, in this part, now we are going to mix our nice green on the palette. I need an emerald green, something very jungly, something very deep. And I am going to put a little bit of water because I really need a very soft texture in here. What we're working here is with texture. This is foliage, this is the sky, and now I need a texture of water. Water flowing. The water flows very slowly when it is a river. So I paint like this. If you don't have the time to do this today, I am going to put this immediately in my channel. If you don't have the time to do this today, you can wait and do it during the weekend. Today's Friday, so you have plenty of time. And you can do one part today, another part next day or on Sunday. Now, at this point, I need a finer paintbrush. I have here this little paintbrush. I'm going to use this one. And I need some white because I am going to put some details on the water. I am going to put some white lines to represent the current of the river. The river is flowing. And I need to put a little bit of foam because this is a very happy, jumpy river, like this. It goes very fast. And now I am going to make some brown for the final touches. I want to put some rocks in the river shore to make a difference between the jungle and the river. And to make brown, you mix the three primary colors. Let me put this over here. I'm going to put my palette. The first thing I am going to do is to mix red and yellow. I have yellow in here. I am going to put the yellow in here. And I am going to put a little bit of red. And look, I have orange. To this orange, I am going to add some blue that I have over here. Not so much. And look at the brown that I'm getting. This is the perfect brown I am looking for. Now remember, if you're working with poster colors, as it dries, as it gets dry, the color gets lighter. So probably it's a good idea if you work with this dark brown, because when it gets dry, it will be lighter. So I'm going to put some rocks in here. Irregular lines, organic shapes over here. I might want to put some lines in brown over here. A line in brown. This is the river shore. And I am going to put some rocks in here. And probably you might want to jump to swim in the river from these rocks. I am going to put one rock on the water, like this. And this is nice. Now, I also am going to put branches like this. I am going to make an irregular curvy line, and I am going to do diagonal, diagonal. And this is a tree. You see? I am going to put here straight, diagonal, diagonal. Another one in here. And another one in here. Oh, this is a jungle, very deep. Very nice. Now, some lights with some white. I am going to wash my fine paintbrush. I am going to get some white. And I am going to put little touches of light on the rocks, like this. This is so much fun. Now you have your jungle. Look at the different type of greens, and you can put even some more yellow in some parts as you wish. You are the artist. So this is the project that we were supposed to do today. And I think that's it. Let me change my camera so that I can say goodbye. Thank you for being in my class today. I'm sorry we couldn't be together, but as I said, this is an asynchronous class. I tape the video and you watch it whenever you want. When we are together and we can talk to each other, it is a synchronic class. So today is an asynchronous class. So I'll see you next class. I'll see you next Friday or whenever we see each other. Bye-bye. I love you.